Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Corolla screen, updated. Start by parking, turning off the car, and disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts and airbag faults. Gather a trim tool, Phillips screwdriver, and a soft cloth to protect surfaces. Remove surrounding trim gently, unscrew mounting bolts, and label connectors as you go. Swap the screen, reconnect each plug firmly, test power and features, then reassemble panels carefully. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting a few minutes for systems to fully power down. Use a plastic trim tool to lift the bezel and reveal mounting screws, working slowly to preserve clips. Unscrew the mountings, support the screen with one hand, and disconnect each labeled harness gently. Place parts in order, and keep track of screw sizes so reinstalling the new screen is quick and accurate for a smooth result. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more content you can use. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great while you work. It pairs perfectly with a clean dashboard and a successful screen swap. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Confirm your replacement screen matches the Corolla model and connector layout to avoid surprises. With the battery still disconnected, connect each harness and mounting bracket loosely, then reconnect the battery briefly to test the display, touch response, audio, and backup camera. If everything works, power down, tighten screws, and reinstall trim evenly to prevent gaps. Take your time aligning clips, and enjoy the satisfaction of a clean, functional dash upgrade when finished.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.